What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And if y'all didn't watch the last video, it's basically just me talking to y'all, telling y'all how nothing really ever go right for me. But this video, we're gonna be washing the Caprice. I feel like it's long overdue. This car been needed to be washed, so yeah, that's all this video gonna be about. Just us washing the car, see how it look after it's washed, all nice and clean. You feel me? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do this video. I'm gonna drive it to the car wash. If y'all want to see more driving footage of this car, my Charger, or I know when I get the Cutlass back, I'm gonna do a little driving footage on that. We still waiting on that, and waiting on updates too. He ain't told me nothing that's going on, so we still waiting on all that. But if y'all want to see more driving footage, you feel me, let me know. I do that. I don't mind recording driving footage. I think it's pretty fun, for real, to me. I like driving these old school cars, you feel me? So yeah, if y'all want to see more driving footage, y'all just let me know, and I can bring it to y'all and give y'all that, give y'all what y'all want, you feel me? Any type of videos y'all want to see, let me know, and I'll try to do them. I'm still trying to find wheels for the Caprice. Haven't found any. If I have found, or the wheels I did see, like $2,000. Like I told y'all before, I'd rather buy another project car than spend $2,000 on a set of wheels. For one, I ain't got it like that right now, so once we start making something from YouTube, then we'll end up like getting like some Corleones or some 4Gs or something, you feel me? Probably Corleones, because I like Corleone better than 4G, for real. But yeah, once we start making money, sure, we can start doing that and putting these cars on nicer wheels than just some of anything, you feel me? But yeah, this video we're gonna be we're gonna be washing this car. I gotta get out so I can grab like a couple rags and stuff, so once we get done washing it, I can like wipe down certain areas and stuff, because I know some of these certain areas on this car, the dirt and gunk and stuff like built up on it, so I'm gonna have to like scrub extra hard. So I want to get like a sponge from out of the, I know I got this washing sponge that I got from like the dollar store or something a long time ago, and I want to grab like a little rag or something. Not no dry towel, I ain't gonna dry, I'm gonna let it air dry. I need to get this done too before it start raining. It's supposed to rain in like a couple hours, so I need to hurry up and go wash this car before it starts raining on me. So yeah, like I said, that's what we're gonna be doing this video, washing the car. This ain't really too much, it just, you feel me, something different. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of before, then a little bit of after, show y'all how it came out. Hopefully this car wash do good. I'm not going through no drive-through car wash. I'm gonna wash it myself at the car wash. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video. Before we get started, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop a video. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, for real, dog. Like, y'all giving me the ability to chase my dream, you feel me? Do something that I've always wanted to do, and be able to do something different, not just your ordinary regular, you feel me, regular lifestyle. I don't even care about the money with this. I just wanna be able to have fun and entertain y'all, show y'all stuff that I like to do, you feel me, like basketball, cars, that type of stuff. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Y'all do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell to all. I'm finna get the rest of this stuff that we need to wash the car, and we're gonna drive the car to go get washed. So I'll catch y'all once we probably get to the car wash, probably next time y'all gonna see me. So yeah, let me get ready to get this stuff. All right, y'all, so y'all see I got my stuff that I was trying to use to wash the car. So now there's been a change of plan. So I started driving the car. I want y'all to let me know what it could be. I started driving the car and it would not change gears. It wouldn't go in the first, second, third, nothing. It wouldn't change gears. I could put it in reverse, it backed up, put it in drive, it went forward. Well, I mean, it wouldn't go in the second, third, fourth, like them type of gears, but I put it in drive, it went forward. I got up to about 15 to wait for the gear to change, and it would never change. So I pulled over, parked the car, turned it off, turned it back on, because I thought the fluids maybe wasn't running right or something. Started back up, put it in reverse, backed up again. So I'm like, okay, so is it my transmission, or is I'm low on fluid, or what's going on? Put it back in drive again, started to take off, because I was trying to bring it back to the crib where it was at, and it still would not go past like 15 miles per hour. 10 maybe, 15 might be pushing it, 10 miles per hour maybe. So parked it back, lifted up in the hood, check my transmission fluid to see if it like metals or something. See if my transmission gone bad. Didn't see no metal in the transmission fluid when I pulled up the dipstick. But then again, I might have to drop my transmission pan. So check my fluid. I'm full on fluid. Like, I don't need no fluid or nothing. Then I thought, so what the freak going on? What's going on with my car? So now let me get out. I started looking and looking. I thought, I was like, maybe I got like an exhaust leak, because it looked like my exhaust wasn't put all the way together, but it's not my exhaust. My exhaust not leaking. So I really don't know what it could be. Y'all let me know. I'll probably take y'all on a drive real quick to let y'all see, but y'all look, let me show y'all. I found some fluid on top of my motor, and I felt it. It felt like some oil, maybe, I don't know. But if y'all look on that line right there, y'all see that fluid? I don't know where it came from. It's new, it's wet. Now watch when I touch it. See if it'll focus. Hold on, let me zoom back out, see if it'll focus. Y'all see, I don't know where that fluid came from, what it is, none of, I don't know what it is. Y'all see? So I don't know what's going on. I'm probably gonna have to send it back to the mechanic that's working on my Cutlass, and he fixed this car. I'm gonna have to send it back to him. I don't know what's going on, but the gears will not change. So literally, we trying to wash the car. And then I told y'all, every time we try to do something good or something good start to happen, here comes something bad. Every time, bro. It never fails. But if y'all look there, y'all see it's something on that line. I don't know what it is at all. So if y'all could tell me what's going on, let me know something. I'm probably gonna take y'all on a little drive real quick so y'all can see. We're not gonna go too far because I don't want to make it worse than what it could already be. I hope it ain't my transmission going bad, going out, none of that stuff. But I'm still able to go in reverse. As y'all can see, I backed it into this driveway. So, you feel me? I can still go in the reverse, still go in the drive. It just won't change gears. Now, I thought I was low on fluid. I checked my fluid. I can check it for y'all real quick. I'm gonna have to get some more tissue. But I checked my fluid. I'm full on fluid. I ain't see no metal in the fluid. But then again, like I said, I might have to drop my transmission pan to check and see if there's metal flakes in there. If so, then I know my transmission going out. But then again, like I told you, I don't drive this car because it's been cold. This car just been sitting, so I don't know what it could be. That might be what it is because I don't drive it. I might need to drive it more, but I really don't know. I don't know what it could be. All my fluids are full. My oil is still brand new because, like I said, I ain't never drove it. As soon as I got this car, we fixed it. We changed the oil and all this stuff, so the oil's still brand new. All new lines ran to it. I ain't got no exhaust leak. So as y'all can see, my exhaust is capped off. What else? I'm full on antifreeze. Brake fluid full. Transmission fluid full. Oil full. Oil still good. It's literally brand new oil that's been poured in there. New oil filter. Like I said, no exhaust leaks. No valve cover leaks. I don't think. It might be valve cover. I really don't know. Like I said, I'm still learning too. I'm still learning, so a lot of stuff I don't know, a lot of stuff I do know, but this is one I really don't get. So if y'all could let me know, please let me know what that fluid is on that line. It just came on there. It's fresh fluid, it just came on there, so I don't know where it's from. But I know it happened when we was trying to go to the car wash, so I don't know, y'all let me know. Yeah, I'm finna take y'all on this drive with me real quick, so let me plug my alternator back up. If y'all seen my alternator unplugged, I have to keep it unplugged because it's a bad alternator running my battery down, and I gotta get a new one. So yeah, let me get y'all on this drive real quick. Alright y'all, we ain't finna go too far. I'm going forward. Y'all see, going backwards. Or y'all really can't see, but yeah, I'm just finna show y'all a little bit, or y'all can even hear it too. All right, let's see. Y'all watch it. You see, the gears won't change, and then you try to gas it, it won't do nothing. So I lied, it go about 25 miles per hour. That's as fast as it'll go. I really don't know what's going on. If y'all can help me out, tell me what's happening, let me know. See, and my gears won't change, so I don't know if it's my transmission. Then I can't go no faster than 25. So I don't know what's going on. So please, y'all let me know. See, hit the gas, it won't go nowhere. It only goes about 18, it looks like about 17, 18 miles per hour. And then now it just slows down 15. You can't go no faster. So, I don't know. Y'all please let me know. Let me know what's going on. See, then it stays at 15 like I was saying at first. So I can get up to about 25, but then it won't go no faster, bro. It'll stay at 15. Please, y'all. Like, I'm struggling. Y'all know this is my favorite car. I do not want this car to be sitting, because like it was already sitting when I first got it. So bro, please, if y'all know what's going on, let me know. I'm gonna call my mechanic today. Well, he ain't my mechanic, but I'm gonna call the mechanic today. So I'm gonna see what he say and see if he can come and look at it when he get off work. And then we're gonna have to try to see if we can get it to him. We ain't gonna be able to drive it to him, so I'm gonna have to get another tow. I told y'all, bro, every time we get something going good, something bad start to happen. And y'all see, I still got a quarter tank of gas. I had just put like $20-something in here, because these old schools, these tanks are huge, so they take a lot of money for gas, you feel me? And it ain't helping that gas is so high now. My bad, y'all, I'm trying to do everything in one hand. But y'all see, it'll get up to about 25, but then I don't want to keep pressing it because I don't want to like blow my motor or nothing, you feel me? So that's why I'm not even pressing on the gas. I'm basically letting it cruise and coast on its own. But then it'll drop right back down to 15, and it won't go no faster. So let me put my flashes on. This is crazy. Y'all see, I threw my flashes on. I don't want no cars trying to beep at me and all that extra stuff. This is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, every time something good start to go for us, something bad happen, and it won't change. And like I said, I don't want to keep pressing the gas because I don't want to turn nothing up. Make sure all my music off. But yeah, at least y'all get some more driving footage of it. This is crazy, bro. Yeah, so let me go ahead and park this car and I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, I really don't know what's going on, but it's like the world don't want to see me win, really. See me do anything good. I don't know. It's just getting crazy, bro. It's like every day it's something different. We get ready to do something good, then something bad happens. Every time, bro. It never fails. And y'all see it now. The wheels. I didn't have nothing to do with them wheels. All I did was buy them. They didn't tell me anything was wrong with them. If so, I would have never bought them wheels, dog. Now, my Caprice, finna go wash it so it can, you feel me, look good with no dirt or nothing on it, no gunk, nothing on the car. But something going on with my transmission to where it ain't shifting gears, bro. I don't know, bro. It's just making me mad. I told y'all see it now. Every single time something good happens or we try to do something good, something bad takes over and we can't do nothing good no more. The fuel pump on the Cutlass, the wheels on the Caprice, both times, 2 different sets, one of them right behind me, 2 different sets of wheels. And now I think my transmission might be going now, bro. I don't know. This is crazy. I want to end up doing a motor swap on that car anyways. Me and my dad got a couple LS motors at our shop, and I wanted to do a motor swap anyways, but I don't know, bro. It's just I wasn't ready to do a motor swap yet. That's my cruiser. That wasn't a car for me to go fast in. It's my cruiser. If I want to go fast, I get in my Cutlass because it's a V8, you feel me? So I can go fast in that car. But my Caprice, I wanted to be a cruiser, a round town car, you feel me? Sound good, all that good stuff. Now I know get on the highway and try to race somebody. That's why I want to get a Hellcat for a Scat Pack, you feel me? I don't know, bro. This is crazy. But I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope y'all watched to the part where I asked y'all for y'all help. That way y'all can let me know what's going on if y'all know. If not, like I told y'all anyways though, I'm gonna end up getting the mechanic to come look at it, see what he can do. If he can fix it, we're gonna end up taking it to him, or not taking it to him, but getting it taken to him, something like that. We're gonna end up getting a tow truck. I'm gonna get the tow truck to take it to him, cause I don't know what's going on. Unless he can come over here and fix it to where it's like a quick, easy fix, he can come over here and do it. You feel me? But if not, we're gonna end up having to get it towed to him, I should say. That's better to say it. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm just frustrated, really. I don't know what to do for real. That was my car to get content on until I got my Cutlass back. Then my Cutlass gonna be what I get content on until I get a new vehicle. But now I don't know what to do, because can't throw no wheels on it because I don't have no wheels. Can't throw no wheels on it because it ain't running right anyways. So I don't know what to do now. So I'm gonna have to just figure out, scramble some videos, try to get something done. So I don't know, unless I'm gonna do like some cosmetic stuff, motor work. I ain't gonna touch that car motor wise, because I don't really want to, you feel me? But if we have to, I'm gonna end up showing y'all the LS motor that I might throw in that car. I don't know, because my dad was finna use one of the LS motors that we already pulled out, and he was gonna put it in something. But if he let me get it, I'm gonna probably just go ahead and swap it and throw it in there, and then save that motor for when I get me, because I found another box, but it's just a body, and it's missing like the fenders, the front bumper, one of the tail lights. It got a lot of stuff missing to it. So if I were to get the body part, or the body to that Caprice, I would have threw that motor in it if I threw an LS motor in that one. But I wanted to leave that motor in there and throw an LS motor in another Caprice. Like I said, I want 2 box Chevys. So yeah, like I said, I want to get 2 box Chevys. That way I can have one of them for like speeding and stuff, like fast, and then leave that one as my cruiser, because that's my 84. So that's why I wanted a little newer one, like an 87, 88, 89, 90, like one of them models. I'd rather have an 89 or a 90. That way I could put like a LS motor in that one and make that one go like fast, have like a fast motor in that one, and leave that one as my cruiser with some 26s on it. And then my the one I want to throw LS in, put like some 6s on that one too, for real. But I don't know, we're gonna have to figure out something. I gotta get that car fixed now, and my color's still in the shop, so now I'm still down to 1 car again. Like when I just bought this car, I was down to just this car. It's crazy. It's starting to get warm, so I want to start driving my old schools and all that good stuff. I don't know. We're gonna figure something out, y'all. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Like I said, y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. We're gonna get all these cars working right to where this summer we'll do nothing but have fun in them, you feel me? And go to car shows and all that good stuff, get content at car shows, show different cars. Yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. That's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all in the next one.